Mm-hmm.
Little panorama.
Hey, buddy. Come on. You home, dogs? Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good.
Luigi just what? There's like some poop, some sheep's poop. Luigi just he had like the rope all wrapped around his